How to unsend message in Messenger Lite. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Messenger Lite and say, for example, I sent this person a message, but now I want to unsend it. Now, if I click and hold on the message, you can see that you will get three options at the bottom. One of them is remove. If you clicked on it, you will get a confirmation window that asks you, are you sure you want to delete this message? And it tells you that this cannot be undone. Now, if you clicked on delete, you will see that the message has been deleted for you, but it will not be deleted for the other person. The other person will still see the message, and the message will not be unsent if you delete it. And unfortunately, as of right now, there's no way for you to unsend a message using the Messenger Lite app. You can only delete the messages for you, but you cannot unsend them. And in order for you to do that, you might use other apps such as the Facebook Lite app or the Messenger app itself. And that's it for this video. That's how that's the way you can unsend a message using other apps than the Messenger Lite app. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.